Hey, welcome to RM Wrapped. My name is Randy Miller, and what we see right here is actually a refrigerator that's been wrapped. I'm showing you the opportunities that you can actually wrap your refrigerator, and this color is actually called the Waterfall color. You go to the rmwraps.com website, go under appliance wraps, go under refrigerator wraps. It's under solid colors, and you'll see this guy right here. This is what I call as a full service. So we get the IO fridges from time to time, and they bring them to us, and we wrap them, and then we ship them out to customers. And this is one right here. It's a matte sheen. A lot of it's matte sheen, but we also do gloss, so we can do all this. We put a lot of heart and detail into this. We do underneath here, and of course here, and also the back end. Even though you're not going to see it, we also do all the way back right here, and top part. These are great fridges. We really like these fridges. We even have our own fridge that's been wrapped. So this is it right here. And this, so you don't see it before. This is what it looks like before. So of course we're working on this one next, and we're going to wrap it a different color. But I'm showing you the opportunity of doing this right here and here. So actually, this is when we did a die knock about a year or two ago. We have a video on how we wrap this guy right here. But every once in a great while, we do have the fridges that come dented, and they do. And I take note and contact the customer saying, yes, it has like a little dent to it, but if we Bondo it and wrap right over it, you will never ever see it. And most of the time they say, yeah, go ahead, Bondo it and everything. But again, every once in a great while, something hits it like a forklift. But the beauty of this, we just got to replace this guy. If we reject this whole unit because this little guy right here, hate to say it, this goes in the landfill. So I tell the customer, please let me Bondo that, or anything scratched or anything dented that I know the Bondo will fix and make it smooth again. I just don't like things going in the landfill. That's one of the reasons why I started the business, Southern RM Wraps business, is because I can't stand things being thrown away that perfectly fine. It's just the color is not there. So that's a prime example why we got in this business. And also it's fun. Well, I like seeing unique things on subjects, and that's the reason why I do it that way. So if you want something like this, DIY projects, if you want it, you go to the rmwraps.com website. If you want the full service, let us know, and we can do the full service too. What unit you want. I mean, it could be an IO fridge. It can be a regular refrigerator, mini fridges. We got the little guys right there. Those have been wrapped with the advertisements. But we can make it work. So let us know. And other than that, if you got any comments or questions or concerns, you can always contact us at 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps.com. Also, Devin and Randy will take care of you if you got any comments, questions, or concerns. Okay, stay tuned. We got more projects and products coming your way. Come back, and you will see me on the next video.